Zimbabwe has lost a true son of the soil, Blessed Geza, a man whose voice had become the echo of a nation's buried conscience. Serapina Mashkubranyo Kupangwa Inachinzi, the untold story of Geza, the true patriot who found redemption and reawakened a nation. Don't forget subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina Mnamubranyo Kamchinzi. Geza, who had been secretly battling cancer, passed away last Friday on 6 February 2026 after issuing a prophetic letter laced with premonitions of his death and the hopes of a better Zimbabwe he cherished. It is the loss of a man of substance and mighty valor who, in his final moments, chose truth over comfort, people over power, and repentance over pride. Our nation has truly lost a son who dared to confront his own past, apologize for his errors, and place his remaining breath at the altar of national redemption. Born of the liberation struggle and forged in the furnace of sacrifice, he is known by the known, the crew, Comrade Bombshell, lived a life that mirrored the nation's own pilgrimage into the promised land, a long and testing journey marked by courage, betrayal, resilience, and hope. For decades, Geza was part of the post-independence establishment, a system that gradually drifted from the ideals of the liberation struggle and entrenched into corruption, exclusion, and elite capture. Yet history will remember him, not for where he stood once, but for where he chose to stand at the end. Geza, in a remarkable and noble act of political honesty, rarely seen in public life, he openly apologized for his role in the removal of Robert Mugabe in 2017, admitting that the promise of renewal was betrayed by their successor, President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Geza, in his final letter to Zimbabweans, he confessed with disarming humility, "When we recognized that Mugabe had betrayed the covenant fought in our battle for this country, we made the decision to remove him. I have since apologized for my role in that removal. Yet, what followed has been a nightmare. Mnangagwa has fared even worse," Geza wrote. Geza, in February 2025, during his interview with the local media HSTV and digital broadcaster owned by Alpha Media Holdings, despite facing imminent expulsion from the ruling party, claimed that Mnangagwa, after assuming power, escalated corruption, neglected the people, and focused primarily on his family. Toma developments. Aripo pina comment section, ndio tunafunga hii mtu lipa mzuri pichi tukwechi. So subscribe or like, chat on the